Oh, she hit him?
She hit him.
Oh. Damn. Was she switching lanes or something?
Huh?
Was she switching lanes or something?
Switching lanes.
Oh. Is it in neutral? You got it? Oh.
I don't really remember. I just know I was, going. I saw their brake lights come on. I hit mine. My front tire locked up and just went down.
So you were behind them? And
Yeah, I was behind the white truck. I don't know if somebody cut them off or
contact
what.
with them at
No,
all? Or?
we just got out of the middle of the road. Yeah.
That's mine. I was a few cars behind him, and I have a camera, so if it becomes helpful,
Video or something?
I might be able to. Yeah, I don't know if it was on there or not, but
Did you see everything that happened?
no. I just, as I came up, his bike was on the ground, so I don't know how much
Okay.
was on the camera, but
Look over it.
I figured worth pointing out.
Let me go grab my notebook.
Okay.
And see you guys down here. What's your name?
Joel?
Joel?
Yep, Joel.
Southbound I-15.
That's my card.
Okay.
The bottom's my email address. You email me and let me know if there's video.
Yep.
If there is, I can meet you somewhere, pick it up, or
Okay.
you can even try to email it to me.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's at the intersection.
It looks like his head went down. You need anything else from me?
No.
Okay.
I appreciate it, man. If you'll just get a hold of me and let me know if you got video or not.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
Drive safe.